The world is changing. At an incredible pace, we are moving towards a digital, electrified future. At GKN Powder Metallurgy, we continue to enable the industry as we move into this new future. By permanently pushing boundaries through innovative and intelligent products for the automotive and many other industries. We stand for best-in-class solutions from powder to part, delivering the highest quality products with the best cost efficiency, made by empowered people based on operational excellence and driven by digitalization and sustainability. Maintaining a strong positioning across all focus segments of our portfolio, we are a global leader in metal powder production, the global leader in sinter metal components, and a global player in additive manufacturing. As a trusted partner of future growth industries, engineering is our passion and powder metals are our tools. We help an electrified future become reality. With powders from metal scrap and low waste manufacturing processes, we contribute to a sustainable future. We are GKN Powder Metallurgy.